So I have here about 7 years of experience in the field of data science, and I'm using the data science technology to solve the data, to predict the data, to forecast the data. Okay. Guys, we'll start with the introduction first about the this okay, the future of data science. If I talk about the future, okay, uh, there are lots of things in the market, correct? So, like the in the data science, that you can explore unending possibilities by learning about the regression, clustering, and forecasting. What about the like the clustering? Okay, the clustering is that we have to combine the data. We have to make sets of the data. Like suppose I'm working in a company. Okay, I'm working in a Paytm company. Paytm have transaction data. What kind of a transaction? Like the Paytm is offering us. Okay, so please fill the attendance. Okay, because I already shared the link in your chat box. Go there. Okay, and fill the attendance. Okay, so what is the clustering exactly? Like clustering, it is a technique that where we can like make the group of the data. Like if I talk about the Paytm, suppose I'm working in Paytm, and what Paytm is of giving us. Okay, Paytm giving us services, and that in the Paytm that I'm getting lots of data. I'm getting the mobile recharge data. Okay, who customer like did the recharge from the Paytm, who customer did the like the book the railway ticket or any kind of other transaction they did on the Paytm. So what I have to do, I have to categorize the data. Okay, I have to get the data. Then after I have to categorize the data into the form of that these customers are belong to mobile recharge. Okay, they already did the mobile recharge things. Okay, on the Paytm, and these are for the DTH recharge. These customer are for this. So this is kind of the clustering that we can do using the data science technology. The regression, I can find the exact output. Okay, how many are like about 50,000 rupees of the transaction? Okay, how many of the like the below like the 30,000 of the transaction? So here I can get the like the possibility that this, if I offer like the some things to this customer, will it be buy or this or not? If the customer is like doing a transaction is around 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees per month. Okay, so if I offer iPhone to that customer, will it be possible that he will purchase or not? She will purchase or not? Because they have the transaction, no? So they are doing transaction, they have money. So we can offer the iPhone 14 Pro Max, okay? And we can give the discount around like the 5,000 or 10,000. So will it be possible that they can purchase the mobile? So this is the things we can do with the regression. And for the forecasting, okay, we can predict the future also. Like for the future, for instance, if I talk about the future, okay, in the future, how like this time that I'm doing around 5 crore rupees of sales in a month, but I want to forecast the data. Okay, where is my sales is below like the 50 lakh. So I can assume that things from the data and can do the forecasting that this, if I if I apply this method on the data and into the market also, so my sales will be increase around 10 crore to 20 crore. Okay, so these kind of a things you can do with the data. Okay, learn tips and the tools, like in the data science, that you have to use the tools. Like if I talk about the Python, it is a technology, it is a programming language, and we can use Python for data science. Okay, like if I talk about the company, like Infosys is using Python, Accenture is using Python, Cognizant is using Python, Barclays, Genpact, JP Morgan, and IBM, HSBC Bank, Oracle, Dutch Bank, EXL, RPS, HDFC Bank, Citibank, and there is Axis Bank, Kotak. Lots of the IT, non-IT, all the companies are using Python. Why? Because Python, it is the one and the single language we are using for data science operation. Okay, there is another operation like the tools is called the Tableau. Tableau it is also using in the market. Okay, we are also using the Tableau into the market. Why? Because that with the help of the Tableau, we can convert our raw data into the form of visualization. Like suppose I give you the example of the Tableau. Okay, suppose I have the sales data. Okay, of the Paytm, and this time I want to show this data. I want to show this data to my boss that these customers are belong to like the 499 rupees recharge. Okay, and these customers are belong to like the 1999 rupees of recharge. So how can I represent this data? Like I have this data into the raw form, so I can convert this data into the form of graph. That is the use of Tableau. Okay, Tableau it is for the technical or for the non-technical. There is no programming background is required for Tableau. Okay, but for the Python there will be a basic knowledge of the computer fundamentals. If you have the basic knowledge of the computer fundamentals, so we will start from the scratch, like from the basics. Okay, that is required for Python. And R. R it is also a technology, okay, which are available, okay, in the data science. With the help of the R, we can use the statistics things. Okay, it is good for a researcher. Okay, if like the developer want to research about the data, like the about the market also, so he or she can get the like the output, okay, using the R. R it is very friendly interface, okay, having the good interface, and we can use it very easily. And like the person who are belong to a non-technical background can easily understand or grab the things. Okay, so this is the like the things, okay, we are using into the data science. There is another is TensorFlow and the Keras. Okay, these are also a deep learning library, and we are also using these libraries with the data to analyze for the future prediction and for the past prediction also. Right? So you will also have an opportunity to learn about the data cleaning. Okay, in the data science, what you will do, you will like do the data cleaning kind of a thing. Okay, and in the data cleaning, we have to clean the data. We have to remove the null value. We have to remove everything from the data. Okay, we have to transform the data. Some of the time, if I have the semi-structured kind of a data or unstructured kind of a data that I'm not able to understand, so what we can do, we can like the transform our data. Okay, we can transform our data, and we can like convert our data into the unstructured format to structured format. Okay, this is the data cleaning that we can do using the data science. Okay, and learn about the data statistics also. I told you that statistics also important for data science. Okay, so you will learn about the statistics, data modeling, structure, business problems, etc. Like if I talk about the business problem, anyone is working in the company? Can anyone tell me that if anyone is working in the company? Hmm? I think so that some of the students left the meeting. Where it is. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I think so that there is only two students, Arshan and the Karthikeyan M. Okay, so learn about the statistics. Okay, so that in this course, okay, in this course that you will learn the business problems. Okay, what kind of a business problem that you will get. Like, if suppose if I am working in a product-based company, I'm working in ITC, or I am working in Hindustan Unilever. I am working in like the product base, like I'm working with the Maruti Suzuki company or Hero Honda company. Okay, my business have a problem. Like, they have the customer from all around world. Okay, and these companies are selling their product in the different country, India also. Okay, but this time I want to analyze the US data, and I want to analyze the Indian data. I want to compare that like the Maruti or like the ITC company. Okay, suppose I'm working in ITC, so that ITC having lots of products. Okay, they want to analyze that in the US, what is my sales of this product, and they want to analyze what is the sales of this product in India and the different countries. So they have this kind of a business problem. So how can I solve this problem? I can solve this problem using the data science technology. Right? So it is the like the things, okay, we can do with the data science. Okay, so modeling or structuring and business problem we can solve using the data science technology only. Okay, and if I talk about the roles, that what kind of a roles you will get into the data science, that you will get the analytical consultant, like the roles also. You can get the analytical manager role also. You can get the data analyst role also. You can get the data scientist role also. You can get the AI engineer, artificial intelligence engineer role also, statistician. Okay, and the research executive, or reporting analyst, and the data engineer, ML engineer. You will get different kind of a role. Okay, after completing the course. Okay, and if I talk about the like the sectors, okay, they are where are we where we can work with the data. Oh, sorry, as a data scientist. So we can work in the healthcare sector, fashion sector, cybersecurity, legal, retail, telecommunication, insurance, digital marketing, and the entertainment, banking, IT, finance, media, and automotive. Okay, so these are the domain where we can get the job. Okay, and this time the companies are offering very good package on the data science technology. All right, so like the course structure, if I talk about the course structure. Okay, and first thing that you will learn, if you are belong to a non-technical background, that is also we will give the introduction about the programming. So that first module will be programming for non-programmer. Okay, data science with R, that we can use the R also using the data science. Okay, and the statistics for the data science, we will learn the statistics also here. Okay, we will learn the about the statistics. Okay, technique. And if I talk about the data science with the Python also, we will learn. Okay, and the natural language processing, that we will learn from the data. Okay, we can use the natural language processing. Okay, and the Tableau is also we will learn. Okay, using the data science technology and the simulating data science projects. So there are lots of projects that we have for the data science technology. Correct. And if I talk about the overview of the data science course, like, let me tell you, okay, what is the difference between the front end and the back end developer? Okay, there is a main key point that we will understand. Okay, there will be a front end development. It is that the jobs is available for the front end developer, and the technology what they are using. They are using the JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Backend development, that they are using the Python, PHP, Ruby, Java, Go, these kind of languages that they are using. Okay, and if I talk about the data structure, that data have structure. Okay, that there is having the linear data structure, non-linear data structure, that they having the static data structure, dynamic structure. Okay, they have the array, queue, stack, linked list, tree, graph. So these lots of things that you will get into the data. Okay, and if I talk about the statistics, okay, there will be a distribution. Okay, in the statistics, okay, that you will get the normal distribution, you will get the student distribution, app distribution, chi-square distribution. So there are lots of things that you will learn into the data science. Okay, and if I talk about the decision tree, okay, where we can get the output into the form of yes or no. Okay, if my output is yes, then that condition will follow. Okay, and like the condition will like run. Okay, uh, as per the record. Okay, and if my output is no, that my condition will change. Okay, and it will follow the another condition. Okay, so these kind of a thing that you will get. Okay, into the data science you will learn. Okay, and the regression analysis, this is also important topic. Okay, that you will get uh, with. Okay, so regression analysis. Okay, there are two regression. Okay, that we are okay we are using. Okay, there is a linear or non-linear regression that we are using here. Okay, and there is a simple linear regression or multiple linear regression. Okay, guys. So that in this data science, you will learn about the regression analysis. Okay, what is the regression? I already told you that we can use the linear regression or non-linear regression, simple linear regression, and the multiple linear regression you will use into the data science. Okay, so with the linear regression, you can solve many of the business problems. There are another technique also that we can use with the regression. Okay, and if I talk about the uh, like the regression, okay, there is like in the machine learning that you will get the supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And if I talk about the supervised learning, the input data is labeled. Okay, and in the unsupervised learning, you will get the unlabeled data. Do you know about the what is unlabeled data and the labeled data? Anyone who is having? Okay, so like this is the data that where all the features are available, and in the unsupervised learning that you will not get the features of the data. Okay, that will be unlabeled data that you will get. Okay, has a feedback mechanism there. Like in the unsupervised learning, there will be no feedback mechanism. Okay, and if I talk about the supervised learning, data is classified based on the training data set. Okay, we already like classified this data. Okay, first we have to apply the training model. Okay, and then after we can classify the data set. Okay, and here on supervised learning, we assigning the properties of given data is classified. Okay, and if I talk about the divide into the regression and classification. Okay, and the unsupervised learning that divided into the clustering and association. So here the supervised learning, we are dividing into the regression. We are dividing the data into the regression and for the classification also. But here, like into the unsupervised learning, we are also dividing our data into the form of cluster. Okay, and the association. So use for prediction, use for analysis. Okay, so why we are using this supervised learning is used for the prediction, like from the past 16, like the 1 year data I have to predict. Okay, what I have to predict from the past 1 year of data, that I have to find the like the output. Okay, like the sales, the profit, the losses, okay, the history of the product, and we get lots of things from the data. And here we can do the analysis for the further analysis. What will be like the future output? What will be the past output? Okay, we can get from the data using unsupervised learning. Okay, and if I talk about the supervised learning, there will be algorithm include decision tree, logistic regression, support vector machine. So we can use these kind of things, okay, into the supervised learning. Okay, if I talk about the unsupervised learning, there will be a k-mean clustering, hierarchical clustering, and the a priori algorithm. We have to use these things. Okay, known number of classes. Okay, and here there is unknown number of classes that you will get, okay, into the unsupervised learning. So hope you understand this mechanism. Yes, Rishabh, Harshad, and Karthikeyan. Hope you understand that. So, like for the unsupervised learning, okay, what we can like get the output from the data, that we will get these kind of unsupervised data. Okay, this is the clustering kind of a technique that we are using. Okay, here with the data. Okay, and here the supervised learning, there will be no clustering, but we have to identify the data from the different class, that this is the blue color of the belong to like the different class, and class 2 data, it is also belong to a different class, and this is the third one is the black, that is for the unknown class. Okay, so we have to use the unsupervised learning also with the unlabeled data, because there is no label. Okay, here I'm getting the label, this is my label is class 1, class 1 is my label here. Okay, here I can identify the data using the label. Okay, so this is my first label, that here I'm able to see the class 1 data, but here I'm getting the class 2 data also. Okay, there will be orange color, it is my label 2, and the label 3 is unknown. Okay, it is a black color data. But if I talk about the unsupervised learning, you can see there are all the like the dots are into the black color. So here there is no label with the data, that is the supervised learning. So what we have to do, if we don't have the label with the data, we have to use the supervised learning, or sorry, unsupervised learning. If we have the data with the labels, that we have to use the supervised learning. So hope you understand the unsupervised learning and the supervised learning. Okay, like we have to identify that this data is belong to this. Okay, like the label or the class or the cluster. Okay, so we have made different of clusters. Okay, to identify the like this as the data is belong to different category. Okay, and this data is belong to different category. And if I talk about the like the parser, okay, there will be a parser is also that you will learn in the data science. Okay? There's a top-down parser, bottom parser, recursive descent parser, LL, okay, LR parser, operator precedence parser, okay, that you will learn like the about the parsing kind of a technique using the data science. Okay, and if I talk about the n-gram in the NLP, okay, what is n-gram? N-gram, it is like for the, we have to divide our data into the form of chunks. Okay, like this is my first sentence, this is a sentence. Okay, here I am using the n-gram technology, that this is the unigram. Okay, here this is a like the into the different. Okay, like stored in the different table. Okay, and is it is stored in different table. Okay, and this will be stored in a different table. Okay, and this will be stored in a different table. So here what I'm getting, I am saving my data into the form of block. Like suppose this is my block. Okay, and I am saving this, okay, data into a like a single block. So what is this unigram do? Okay, unigram store our data into a different block. Like this is the sentence, this is my full line. Okay, but we have to break this data, we have to divide it data into the chunks. Okay, so this, it is in one block, is it is in one block, are it is in one block, and sentence it is also in one block, and we have to store this data, okay, into the table. Okay, So here, what we can get, we can use the data mining technique with this. Okay, so there is a bigram. Okay, here we have to make the like the two indexes. Okay, together. This is it is in like the single block. Okay, A is a it is a different kind of a block. Okay, and sentence. Okay, a sentence. We have to make this record okay into the chunks, and here I can identify the useful information from the data. We can fetch the useful information from the data. Okay, and 3 is the trigram. Okay, we have to use it that this is a like in a single diagram. Okay, and is a sentence, it is a single diagram. Okay, so we have to like use this indexing kind of thing. Okay, we have to make this index okay differently. This is the like this is a single like the index. Okay, and this is sentence, sorry, is a sentence, it is a different index. So we have to create this kind of indexing. Okay, so we can solve the data using this indexing method. Okay, and data types, if I talk about the Tableau, Tableau it is also a technology or tool. Okay, have you ever seen the Tableau? Have you ever seen the Tableau? Yes, guys. Hope you don't know. That we will show you what is Tableau exactly. Okay, we can I can show you. Yeah, great, great. So this is the Tableau that you can see. You can make these kind of a graph using the tab. Okay, you can see that I have this kind of a graph we can create using the tablet. You can see there are lots of things, lots of graphs we have to create using the tablet. There will be area chart, dual chart, bubble chart, histogram chart. There are so many charts that we can create for one report. Okay, so this is the power of the Tableau. Okay, and if I talk about the Tableau, there are so many of the data types are available in the Tableau. The first one is the text. We can read the text data. We can read the second one is the date value. Okay, we can read the dates also. We can read the date and time value also. We can read the numeric value also. We can read the Boolean value like the true and false kind of a value also. And like we can use the geographic values also, and the cluster group that we can use with the Tableau also. Okay, so this is the Tableau interface. I already shown you, okay, that because I have the Tableau with me. That is a paid one that I have, okay, in my PC. So you can see this kind of an interface here. You can create a different kind of a report, okay, like this also. Okay, here we have to like use the any kind of a data and can create a different kind of a report which are up to the mark or like beyond the limitations of a person. Human cannot create this kind of things. Okay, but a software can create this kind of thing. Okay, so getting started with the HH. Okay, the journey of this is in 2013. Okay, we are based in the like the California, and the this is the like the competency development organization. Okay, they are offering like focus on the learning solution. We can cater to diverse audience from the varying industries and the academics also. Okay, and we are that deliver instructor lead training to client base of 3 lakh plus learners that we have, okay, in the market. And if I talk about the deliver self-paced trainings on the client base of 2 lakh plus learners, provide 400 plus courses, vendors with the 200 plus corporate partners with the 130 plus colleges in pan India. Okay, and the program feature. Okay, the in this program that you will learn the training course. Okay, learn from the various skills and the technique with the 100% practical training. There will be no theoretical training. Okay, that you will learn the practical also along with the theory. Okay, the theory is also available, but we have to focus on the practical because if you like become a data scientist, okay, the theory will not enough for you, the practice is also enough for you. So we will focus on the practical training also, and the hallmark certification you will get, okay. And the project, live project you will get, the capstone project also you will get, the guaranteed internship that you will get after this, okay, course, okay. And the beginner level, on the advanced level you will get the paid or free internship, okay. And the off-campus placements also we will help with this, okay. Like we will find the job, we will like assure that you will get the job, okay. Without job, that we will not you leave you alone, okay. Like if you complete the course, this is not the thing that we can leave you, we can forget you, okay. We have to focus on, okay, on your job, okay. And every time we have to send a notification, this job is available for you or this job is not available for you, so we can send the notification, okay, that you have to prepare for this things for this job, okay. We will do the interactive sessions with the like the trainer also, who is like prepare you for the job also, okay. The interview preparation, the mock test series, that we have to do these things, okay. During off campus placement support, okay. And the hackathon is also like that you will like get the uh, hackathon, okay. And you can participate into the hackathon, that with the help of the hackathon that you will get the job very easily. And the boot camp is also, okay, that you like we will provide you the boot camp option also, that it is also kind of a thing that if you clear the like the exam of hackathon, or like if you don't clear the exam of hackathon, you can be a part of boot camp, okay. What we are providing, there is like the very important feature, okay, premium like access of the jobs for the portal opening, okay. That here you will get the e-learning content also, like for the like before the interview preparation you will get the videos, the recorded session, and the live instructor also. And the gold membership, you will get the 1 year gold membership, okay, after this course, okay. So the live session that you will get, okay. So like before 1 year, that if you forget everything, if you want to refresh or rebrushing your skills again, if you want to learn again, so you can join the like the HH, okay, again, okay. There will be no issue, that we are providing like the uh, 1 year of subscription. So within the 1 year, if you want to learn again, so you can join again, okay. And the program feature, that is the 6 month live training, access to the recorded video lecture, access to the e-learning portal, 100% job guaranteed placement, okay. This is the promise that they are giving you, okay. So if you like complete the course from HH, okay, you will get the 100% placement. This is the main thing, okay, because we are looking the job in the market and no one is providing a job, okay. So this is the thing, okay, that HH is providing you the guaranteed jobs, okay. And internship support also, that they are providing you 50 plus 52 plus masterclass session you will get, okay. And 1 year gold membership benefit you will get, 5 soft skills session you will get, and 24 into 7 support you will get, okay. The like the perks of members, that you will get the complimentary module, namely software skills development and the resume writing also. So we will prepare the resume for you, or you can prepare the resume. We will help you with the resume preparation, and for the software skills development, and for the namely for the complimentary module you will get, okay, like the extra things that you will get from the data, okay. And the upon completion you will have the technical knowledge, okay, the basic technical knowledge, that if you have the structure business problem into the analytics framework using the statistics and the data modeling. If you don't have, just forget it, we will start from the scratch also. That after that you will get a better job opportunity, because in the data science, that people are getting 1 crore rupees of package, 6 lakh of package, the minimum package would be 6 lakh, okay. They are getting, and they are getting up to 1 crore rupees of package in the market for the fresher, not for the experience, okay. The experience can get on more than 1 crore, but in this like current time, there will be around 1 crore of package, okay. It's available for fresher only if they have the good knowledge, okay. The skills and the proficiency, you can increase your skills and the proficiency, okay, and apply for the relevant tools and the technology to improve your performance. The company will also consider these things, okay, and they will give you the growth in your salary, okay. They will give you the growth in your position, and you will get the highly paid secure jobs, okay. There will be highly paid secure jobs. I already told you, okay. Get the multinational companies, and you can get a chance to go outside of the country, or you can get the the option to do work from home also. So there will be a lot thing that you will get into the data science, okay. So here that you will get the highly paid secure jobs, okay, into the field of data science, okay. And if I talk about the terminology growth, okay, you will get the growth, okay. Like, because in the market, if I don't have the skills, so nobody will provide me a good salary or good package. But if I have the data science technology, what I can I can get a better salary. I can get the better opportunity in the market. So this is the thing that I can, okay, get from the market. So if I talk about the course curriculum, okay, the first thing that you will learn the course, okay, there will be a programming for the non-programmers. If you are belong to a non-programming background, okay, so we will give you the introduction of the programming, okay, what kind of a programming are available. Hmm, hmm, and you will get the introduction and working experience on the programming also. And then second, there is a statistics for the data science. We will give you the complete information and the practices also on the statistics using the data science technology, okay. And as data science with R, you will get the complete practice on the R technology. And the data science with the Python, you will get the complete practice module, okay. That the trainer will give you the live session with live data. So with the Python, there will be a NLP, that is natural language processing. You will get the W, you will get the simulated data science project, and effectiveness, okay, that you will get the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning with the Keras and the TensorFlow, okay. So these are the things, these are the skills. If you have, I'm sure you that you will get minimum 15 to 24 lakh rupees package for sure. Because for the artificial intelligence and machine learning and the deep learning developer, there will be 24 lakh. It is a very low package, okay, as I can see, because I'm in the market. So I'm seeing, okay, my friend also having these skills, and she is getting around 60 lakh per annum with the 3 year of experience in the field of data science. 60 lakh, it's around 5 lakh rupees per month she is earning, okay. So you also can get the 24 lakh rupees of package if you don't have the experience with the help of the artificial intelligence and the machine learning, okay. And the deep learning is also required. Got it. So if I talk about the program details, okay, there will be PGP, or okay, and data science, that it will be around 12 months of the project, the course, okay, and 2 weeks for of the training, okay, the examination, the certification, unlimited batches with the different trainers. If you don't like the trainer, if I'm giving you the classes, if you don't like me, so we have another trainer, so you can move. If you don't like them also, then you can also move. So there will be we have around lots of trainers for the data science technology. So, and that you will get the master class session also, the job guarantee that we are offering, and e-learning platform access that we are providing, the batches recording that we are providing to you, okay. And fees inclusive of like the live interactive training, video cases, studies and assessment, unlimited access of the multiple trainers, internship support that you will get 100% job guarantee. You will get okay assignment and the project also you will get the hallmark certification you will get and the gold membership benefit you will get. Got it? And if I talk about the like the budget, okay, you can find on the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, okay, and there will be a link is also available, so you can use these things, okay. The batch will start from the next week, okay. This is not the previous week, okay. We have to change it here, okay. The batch starts from 30th, okay, 30th November, okay, and it starts in every week that you will able to join the batch, okay, as soon as possible, okay, and you will get the benefit, okay, and very soon that you will get the job in your hand with a good package. So this will be like the use of the data science, okay. So if you have any question, please let me know. I can help you out with this. Got it, guys? Rishabh Chawla and Harsha, do you have any question related to this? You can ask me here. Great. So that is the thing. So Rishabh and Harsha, because you are only the two students, if you want to earn money, then only one way in the market. Okay, into the banking sector, they like you will not get this much of salary, but into the data science sector, you can earn more than 2 lakh rupees. Okay, to doing work from home job or work from office job, or you can get the opportunity to go outside of the country. Okay, my lots of friends is also working in the other country, and next year I'm also going to another country, okay, because I got the job, okay. Next year I will join the company in USA. I also work with the company and I have to stay there. So that is the dream that everyone have the dream to like go outside to the country. So this time I'm also planning. So I already gave the interview and they gave me the next year time, okay. So into the next year, in the mid of the June or the July, okay, I will be in the USA. Okay. So these are the things which I get using the data science technology, or you also can get this thing today with the data science technology. Right. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay. And this is the session. I hope you understand the things now, like what is the data science exactly and how we are using the data science here. Got it? Yes, guys. Rishabh. Okay, great. So Rishabh, okay. So the session is done. So if you want to leave, so you can leave it. Okay. So else, okay. Any other question if you have, you can let me know. Okay. Contact your counselor. They will let you know. Okay. Thank you, Arsha, and thank you, Rishabh Chawla, okay, for giving your precious time. Okay. Thank you.